Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley, and in this video I'll show you guys how to perform a transaction on Exodus that's linked to your Trezor wallet. Now, in our last video I did show you guys how to pair your Trezor hardware wallet to your Exodus software wallet, and in this video I'll show you how to actually perform a transaction. Alright, so we're going to go on to the tab that shows the Trezor. So I have the Coin Alley 1 tab here. And then I'm going to go over to Exchange. And then on the left side are the assets that are currently on the Trezor. So we're going to work with some Digibyte. I'll select Digibyte. And let's see, we're going to do, let's say $20. All right, so there's a minimum requirement for Digibyte. And let's purchase some PAX. There it is. I think this is the one. And this is 1-to-1 on the US dollar. So we're going to get 45.98 for PAX. And then you'll click Exchange. Now you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction on your Trezor. There it is. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter my PIN code. Confirm. Oops. Let's try that again. Enter our passcode. Confirm on Trezor. Hit confirm. All right, that says my exchange is in process, or in progress rather. So once the exchange is complete, the PAX will be delivered to my Exodus wallet over here. And then at that time I can do whatever I wish to do with the PAX. I can send it, if it's compatible to my Trezor, I can send it to Trezor, or I can just leave it on the Exodus wallet. All right, let's do another exchange. And let's get some Tron. Tron TRX. Okay, that is temporarily not available for exchange. Let's find something else. Let's go Ethereum Classic. And the minimum is here. And we can exchange that. So Digibyte for Ethereum Classic. I'm going to confirm on the Trezor. There we go. So that was pretty simple, right? And then if you go over here, at the bottom, there's an indicator that says see details, and you can get a detail of your current transactions that are in progress. So I really like this UI. I really like the interface with Trezor and Exodus. It's very beautiful and it's very easy to use. As I mentioned before in the previous video, before the integration, you would have to transfer your assets from Trezor to Cheerfully, to Shapeshift, or to an exchange, perform your transaction, and then send it back. This way, it's all secure. It's authenticated on the Trezor. You don't have to give up your keys, your seed, or any of those things. So hopefully you guys found that tutorial to be very helpful. And what I'll do here, I'm going to pause the video for a little bit, and then I'll show you guys once the assets are have arrived in the Exodus wallet. I'll show it to you over in the wallet once it actually arrives. All right, guys. So the transfer actually came in within like 10 minutes or so, but I had to go run an errand, so that's why there's a difference in the time if you were looking at the clock. So as you noticed earlier, we did convert some Ethereum Classic. So as you see here, 7.738 was actually exchanged from Debit, and also some packs. We have 45.984. So as you can see, it's very simple just to do the exchange within Exodus from your Trezor without you having to transfer your assets outside of the Exodus Trezor ecosystem. So hopefully you found this tutorial to be very useful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. It does help support the channel. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out another video. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video in regards to Trezor and Exodus and how to complete a transaction. If you have any questions on specific procedures or anything within the Trezor or the Exodus, you can leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll do my best to respond to them. All right, guys, hopefully everyone has a great evening or a great morning or whatever time it may be wherever you are. Please take care of yourself and, of course, each other.